Welcome to this Tech for Everyone channel, and here is something. I got a few questions. People saying, is it really worth it? Is the iPhone 11 that much advanced, or, And it's interesting because as we were doing the tests and as I was going through the iPhone, my last iPhone that I had is several years ago. And when I looked at the iPhone 11, which is kind of interesting because it's brand new and all shiny, and of course it's much faster than what I had back then, but I somehow didn't feel anything that told me, "Oh yeah, you should. Okay, I should get the new iPhone." Or, there's no innovation, and I mean, there are changes, there are things that are done, like there's the iPhone 11 with two lenses for the camera, the iPhone 11 Pro has three lenses, and they're trying to do something with that. And somehow I was looking at the possibilities and all of it, and one of the things that kind of jumped to my face in conclusions is that when we were testing this on September 21st, I did have the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 10 to compare with. All I can say is there's nothing compelling. There's nothing new, or there's no innovation that makes me say, hey, it's so much better than everything else. This is, I think, what we got to remember. In the past few years, we have to face the fact that iPhone releases have been boring because they have not had innovations that have a huge impact on the market. You can't, there's no, oh wow, the new iPhone anymore. There used to be enough speed difference and enough new gadgets on each phone, and the hype of having even gadgets turned off but that they turn on with an update at some point, things like that. It's kind of interesting because I mean, today it isn't anymore. There's no more wow factor. There's no more this is amazing. And it's unfortunate that Apple has become kind of very mainstream boring, even. And I mean, there's new iPads that are announced and all of that, but it's like the phones. They're all in the same category of, yeah, I know, but I can't, you know, really find anything so fantastic that, oh wow, this is a great phone. On and all, it is a great phone. And if you're an Apple user and you are to purchase a new phone now, might as well go with the latest if you can. But even if you have the 10, because it costs less, it you're not missing out on much, honestly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.